The next step after organizing the CAD files and getting the job put together on the screen so it looks right is to get it plotted on paper. Now, it may not be necessary to actually print paper, but most regulatory agencies and specifications will call out for the production of PDF files. Long ago, they were wanting vellum red line drawings, and we're seeing PDF drawings take the place. Some agencies still are requesting vellum, but those can just be produced from these drawings themselves. So while we look at this, kind of back up a little bit here and give you an overall view. This is just a section of a job. Happens to be on a military base. These are some buildings and parking lots. There's some wash rack areas. It's a vehicle maintenance facility at a large Army base. And what we're seeing is call outs for each of the items where something changes place or something happens. So let's kind of follow this storm from its eventual outfall here at this flared end section to the retention area here and all the way through a manhole here with a grate inlet here and an inlet here, all marked. We have some roof drains. We have an inlet here. We have the three inverts that are shown here, in and out, and in the east and south facing roof drain inlets. Another thing is the original plans called, at least from the specifications, to have the storm where it was originally drawn included so they could see the change from what happened. Here they left out a roof drain. They put one here and simplified these inlets and manholes here. So when we're done, we get a relatively clean looking, easy to understand PDF that can be printed for use later, but also allows these people to know what they have in the ground, so if they have to do a repair in the future, they can. Let's look at another portion of the job, which is pretty heavily detailed. So we had to do a breakout and expanded blow-up section for this. And you'll see that this is one of the problems that we had here. And we also had a lot of roof drains and inlets because of this building shedding water to these walk areas around it. So with a lot going on, you may need to focus on an area, and you'll see in the key drawing here, this kind of just pulled the center of the project to kind of give everybody an idea what was going on, and subsequent sheets will show different parts of the job, whether they're corners or sections that were requiring detail. It's not really hard to put together something that when you give these PDFs to somebody else and they scroll through them, they should be able to figure out where everything is and follow the job so they can see all the subsurface improvements that you've done to it.